beautiful Cindy here at the Downy shelter. She's such a love. Look at her. What a good girl you are. Yeah, what a good girl. She's beautiful. She's calm. She's very friendly with people and just has these beautiful eyes. Yeah, good girl, Cindy. You're such a good girl. You have such pretty eyes. Yeah, we love you. You're a good girl. Yeah. Okay, sweetheart. She's very beautiful. Yeah, I know, sweetie. And here's her kennel card. Yeah, and there she is. Hi, baby. Look, she's just a little love. She came in as a stray on December 12th, so she's been here about a month, and she's just a loving sweetheart. Yeah, there she is. Good girl, Cindy. Yeah, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yeah, see, she's giving kisses. What a good girl. Yeah, what a good girl. Good girl, I love you. Yeah. Look at this. Look, aw. Sweetheart. Yeah, you are such a good girl. Such a good girl. Yeah, look at those beautiful eyes. Yeah, she's a sweet girl. Cindy's ID number is A4904375. Today she's in kennel 538 here at the Downy Animal Care Center. Please come meet this fantastic, friendly girl today, and she's sure to bring a lot of love into your home. Thank you.